Hello guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video, I'm showing you how you can add and change bio on your Discord app. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeful tech videos like this one. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to really know about that you can't really add and change bio on your Discord app, whether in Android or iOS. For doing that, you have to simply open your Chrome browser like this, and in the Chrome browser, what you need to do, you have to simply type here discord.com. So open your Chrome browser and then type discord.com, and from here when you open this discord.com website, then tap on these three dots in the top right corner and then tap on the desktop side. So open your Discord website in the Chrome in a desktop version. After doing that, you can see the open Discord option in the top right corner. Simply tap on that, and when you hit enter this, then what it will do, it in some cases it will ask you to log into your account, but uh, uh, in some cases it will also redirect simply to your Discord account. So here I am in your Discord account. So after logging into your account, you can see this settings gear option in the bottom left corner. You can see in the right side of your username, you can simply tap on this settings button, and when you tap on that, then you come to this page. So here what you need to do, you can see all these option in the left side of this page. So from here you have to simply tap on the user profile, and when you tap on the user profile, then you come to this page, and here you can see the about me option is here, you can see. And from here you can simply tap on this box, and then you can start entering like that. You can type anything, and after doing all these things, after adding your bio, you can simply see the save changes option in the very bottom like that. You can see in the very bottom right corner, you can simply tap on the save changes in the bottom right corner, and what it will do, it will save these changes. So that's how you can add your bio uh, on Discord app. But if you want to change the bio, you can simply tap again on this box. You can simply update the bio. After doing all these things, you can simply again go to the save changes option in the very bottom, and then you can hit enter this. So that's it, that how you can do that. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.